Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create AI talking photo with Pippit AI for free. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, you can visit Pippit.ai. If you want to join the Pippit AI, you can click the link on my YouTube description. Once you open the website, you can sign in with your Google account and you will get free credits. And then you're going to select this feature, AI talking photo, and I'm going to upload my photo. Okay, click on the plus icon and I'm going to use this photo. Alright, and click on done. Once you upload the photo, you can make the photo talking. But wait, it's still loading. Okay, and I'm going to click on next. And we're going to add voiceover after this. Okay, I'm going to add the script. Okay, this is the script I want to use and I'm going to choose the voice. For the voice, I'm going to choose okay, this one. Confirm. And we will need 36 credits. I'm going to click on export. Okay, I'm going to choose this resolution. Click on download, and now the video is being exported guys. This might take about 30 minutes. Okay, the video is ready guys, and I'm going to download the video and let's see the result. It's been downloaded.
She doesn't rule with power, but with the quiet magic of her presence.
Wow, it's pretty cool.
She doesn't rule with power, but with the quiet magic of her presence.
Hi guys, and that's how you can create AI talking photo with Pippit AI for free. I hope this video will be useful for you. Join Pippit AI now by clicking the link in my YouTube description and start creating for free today. Thank you so much for watching guys, and bye!